Thanks for coming to check out this video. And if you've come here, that means you're dealing with Tier 4 emissions problems with your portable generators as well. And that's one reason why we developed the Juice Box. When I first started hearing about all the things that was going to happen with Tier 4 diesel, what came to mind was, wow, customers are going to pay more for a machine and get less and have more service issues, and a machine that has to be operated within its parameters. To me, that all sounded like it was going to be a huge problem for the rental industry, and sure enough, it's turned out to be. The idea behind the Juice Box is modular design. You might use more of those on a job site, but the idea is it replaces the power distribution panel because the generator is the power distribution panel. Pair that generator with an external fuel tank. That machine now will run for days without having to be refueled. And the idea there is that the service issues go away as well, because the Juice Box doesn't care if it's lightly loaded. You can load it at 5 kW or 25 kW. The generator doesn't care. We eliminate a lot of service learning curve that your technicians are going through. Within just a few hours, we can train your people to do all the service work on this machine. It's very simple. If your people are already familiar with generators, they're going to be happy to know this is a very simple thing to do. Check out the video description below for additional resources on the Juice Box and how it's used.